Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today again I have come up with my makeup tutorial, and today I'm doing a very heavy makeup for my shoot. It is a jewelry brand, so because of that I'm doing this shoot. So I'm using few of the high-end products, and if you are interested then please keep on watching. Today I'm using a primer water from Smashbox. I don't know why the camera is not taking up today, but this is a primer water from Smashbox, and I'm just going to use it. This is a beautiful water. It hydrates your skin. It is really beautiful. This is a Smashbox moisturizer, primer moisturizer. Oh my god, I am with love with this product. I am means if you want a good moisturizer which will filter your skin, then please use that. Next I have used a primer from Smashbox itself, and here I'm using a LA Girl foundation. The shade and everything will be given in the description box, then please go and check it out. Just blend it with the beauty blender, and after that I'm blending with a wet and wild brush. So blend it properly when you do really high makeup. So now I'm going to use a concealer from Maybelline. Just blend it really nicely. Then I'm going to contour with Makeup Revolution contour stick, and the shade and everything will be given in the description box. Apply it properly, and then you can blend it out really nicely. This shade I have taken. Whenever you contour, take 2 or 3 shades darker for your skin. That will give you a really chiseled out contour. It's really nice. Apply it all over your face. Now blend it with a very small brush so that all the contour product doesn't go all over your face. Then I'm baking up, and I'm using here the Color Bar pencil. This is a glitter pencil. So the Color Bar eye pencils are really amazing. They're really buttery, they're really nice. Okay, so just blend it with a brush, and just keep it really simple, because I just want to concentrate on my jewelry. So now I'm going to take the Wet n Wild palette and very pointed brush, and I'm just going to place it into my crease. This orangey shade, I'm just going to place it into my crease, and going to blend it out with another brush. Here I'm going to mix one more shade, which is this yellow ochreish type. So I'm just going to blend it out with this brush. Don't go towards the green eyeliner, just blend it upwards. Don't come down, just keep your lid blank. Same shade we are going to apply under our lower lash, and we are going to blend it later. And after that I'm just going to I have applied eyeliner. This is a Smashbox Fix Plus. You know that this is my favorite, and I use it all the time. Just spray it, just blend it with the beauty blender, and then you can go with your highlighter, your lipstick, and you're good to go. So this is the final look. This is really simple and really nice, really glamorous. If you like this look, then please don't forget to subscribe, like my videos, and share with your friends. And now Navratri is coming up, so if you want to do some like stuff of makeup, then please do subscribe to my channel. More videos are coming soon.